Let's see what happens. Loading a boat. I think they could do it. So this road goes from over there down to this concrete slab and back up over there, that road. I think they got it. Oh yeah, if she's rocking that good, yeah, you got it. I'm just a bad influence. You gotta back it up a little bit more. You got some air up floaties? You shove a couple of those air up floaties underneath it and fucking lift it up. He said my Tundra is maroon and my boat's red. I got Skechers on. And you know, this is all concrete. Shit, you might be able to unhook and just fucking walk her back. See how far. I mean, all you need is what, about 8-10 more inches, you'd be good. Yeah, it's concrete all the way out here. Shit, I just fucking throw your rope, unhook her, fucking let her roll back to about right here, you'd be good. I'm waist deep out here. He's gonna drive down the street. Look at old Billy Flanagan, he's out there fucking fishing for stonefish. Is this a baby bass? Baby Bird Bay? I'm hungry, fellas. They're gonna drive right back up there. What's that, some?